Hey guys, Fishy here, and this is another sticky bit of fakery that will not die. Everybody remembers when Maxine Waters was giving that speech talking about how members of the administration shouldn't be allowed to go out to dinner. They should be driven from restaurants or other public places, whatever. We all remember that she said it, and there was a congressman at the time who wanted to censure her. It says here, Andy Biggs from Arizona. And I looked that up, and that actually was a story on Fox News, so this site isn't making that up. What's fishy here is the headline. She's done. Maxine Waters officially requested to resign. Now, if Google was worth anything to me, I could look for that headline because it's repeated down here, and I could search and see all the different instances of this article. But Google has tweaked their search so that I can't find imitations of fake stories when they've been copied and pasted again. They just bury them. I understand it, but I need that to be a toggle switch so I can turn that on and off for me to search. But regardless, Staphanie here thinks this is some good bait, and she shared it to a lot of places, one of which was this group here. So we, of course, need to check this out. Here's VirginiaPress31.site. When we click on that, this is a little bit of a familiar format to me. This is one that eventually turns into another one that we've seen often. They are playing around with different formats, different templates for these. So I looked into it, and here, both of these profiles that have shared it, I've traced to India, one of which is Staphanie. How do I know? Well, we're going to take a look. This is Staphanie's page, and all it's got is some Fox links, Fox News links, and some cute puppy, and etc. Lots of pictures. Not much to see here. But when I go look at the photos commented on by Staphanie, this is what I get. This is a little bit different from what I would expect from someone claiming to be, where does it say? Los Angeles, went to James Madison, that sort of thing. And when I go to this guy right here, I pulled that photo up and took a closer look. Staphanie has got a nice bro comment here. And down here, this guy says, thanks, bro, Amanat Ali. But it's Staphanie right there. Staphanie is definitely not a real person. Staphanie is completely fake. And that's why I need your help. Help us put Facebook on notice and pressure them to do better about removing fake profiles faster. They can trace those by the websites, such as the Virginia Press one. They can check these whole networks. They have the tools to do it. They're just not doing it. But Staphanie needs to go, and we need your help. So share this video, like the Unfakery page, and share that with your friends so we can get Facebook to pay more attention about all these fake profiles.